Hello, this is a video tutorial dedicated to setting up our collaborative course. Well, it all started in week 2 from forming the groups. So just here in this theorem, we could join into any group. Now it's not available, well, but it was here actually, so there were different groups, and every person could create his own group, and well, others could join or leave anytime. Well, the maximum number of people was 6. Okay. Well, after that, we had to create our team policy. So that was in week 4, I suppose. Yeah, that's right. Again, so here we can see also the link to forming the groups for the collaborative model courses. Well, and teamwork policy. Well, here we had a template prepared by our nice teacher Nelly. So teamwork policy on Google Drive. So let's click on that. Okay, just here's a template. So you can fill in the gaps, well, and share. Just here. Well, sorry, it's in Russian. Yeah, I'll go back. So you could download this teamwork policy on Google Drive, change some settings just to make it available for public view, add emails of your group members, well, and they could discuss it, well, add something. Just let me check. Well, we have done it already. Individual submission, teamwork policy, yeah. Oh, sorry, it's just proposals. Oh, well, it's a bit difficult to remember what we did. Or maybe something has been changed here. Well, I can't find it. Sorry, final individual submission. Okay, well, but so there was this section, well, where we shared the link, well, and well, I can say that in our team, Mohammed was a kind of leader, so he shared the link first, so we could add. So I open this template. We could add our comments. Well, change something just if we didn't agree. So we could do that here. Okay. Well, then just the next step was creating team syllabus. Well, again, Nelly prepared a template. So again, it's just on Google Drive. And here, well, we have a structure of the course which we can describe. Well, again, change, share it with our team members. Yeah. Well, and here is our team syllabus. So I'm a member of task-based learning team. Well, and again, Mohammed, he was the first, so he offered his team, our team syllabus. Well, we agreed upon that, and so we could just change it. So if we were not satisfied, yeah, but I think everybody was okay with that. Okay. Well, and so the next step was so creating a course. So here is our course design. Well, it was quite comfortable that again, thanks to Mohammed, he assigned the tasks to every member. Well, here is mine. So each person was responsible for one section. I was responsible for recipes quiz. Our topic was food recipes. Well, and how to design. Well, again, so we have to make sure that this green button should be red. So to get editing rights, you have to turn editing off. Yeah, so now it's available. Well, and here you can edit sections. Well, you can edit your own section. You may add an activity or resource. Well, just a standard procedure. So here is my recipe quiz. Yeah. Okay. Well, and here we have different sections, just feedback, forum for TBL team, some announcements, well, discussions. Sometimes I used private messages, for example, to ask our leader if I'm on the right way about my quiz, whether he likes it or not, is it okay? Well, and I must say that it's very useful to have a support when maybe something is not clear. Yeah. So, and finally, well, it worked well. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching.